Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add multiple accounts to your Instagram account. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Instagram app, then you want to click on the lower right corner where you see your profile picture. You click on it and then you want to look all the way to the top. You want to look at the three straight lines on the top right corner. You click on them and then you want to click on the first option in the settings menu, which is settings and privacy. You click on settings and privacy and then you want to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. As you can see over here, you have the option to add account. When you click add account, you will have the option to add an existing account that you already created on different device or on this device but simply did not link to this account. Or you can simply create a brand new Instagram account over here. Very important is that when you once add all the existing accounts that you already created, then you could simply switch from one account to another without inputting any credentials, which might be a good thing, might be a bad thing, it depends on you. But again, you need to remember that all the devices that you want to log in through this multi-login account have to have this function and have to have this login saved up. For example, if you set up your iPhone over here with 3 accounts, then you have to log in through your tablet or through your PC. You want to make sure that all of these logins are saved up. Every new device that you try to log in, you have to double verify each of the credentials, and you're most likely going to receive an email to confirm to add this device as a allowed secure device. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.